How to create a board on Monday.com 2025. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can create a board on Monday.com. And obviously, if you want to use Monday.com for yourself, to make sure to check the link down in the description below to get started off right away. Now, to create a board for yourself, what you're going to want to do is you're going to come over to Monday.com. And once you're over here, simply click on Add Item to Workspace. Once you click on that, from here, you're simply going to go over to Board and you can choose to either start with a template or create a new board for yourself. I'm going to click on new board. I'm going to give it a name test. You can choose if it's your main, private, or shareable board. I'm going to go with main. Select what items you're managing in this. So let's say I want to go with projects and let's click on create board. Now, once you click on create board, as you can see, we have a new board created in Monday.com. And that is how easily you can create a board for yourself. So if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to create boards for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to start off with Monday.com. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.